So yeah.
Melted marshmallow. I'm on the pine
So what are we
cone.
doing, Eli? Look at the ice water. We saw a coyote running on it. I wish I filmed it, Eli. Right? We saw a coyote running on the ice.
Yeah.
They're doing construction. So what are we doing today? You. Listen to me. Okay, bye.
No, wait. Look at that little.
That's not a puppy.
Don't care. They look really big. Yeah.
See them?
That's what I thought you were talking about. Okay, you're talking about that. And you're standing in mud. What is that?
Electrical.
I'm gonna step on it. I'm just gonna. Now no one can.
Hey, what about the fence? Is that a pattern?
Yes,
Look at this field.
it's a diamond.
It's a diamond.
It looks really weird if you look at it from this view. No, like you have to go against it.
Whoa.
It's like, why does it look like a gem? I don't know. It's like an orange heart. Look in the sky. People sliding across the ice.
What do you mean? What ice?
Put it under the street.
On the water?
We'll put this on. We'll put it under.
Say farewell to the rock.
And we're gonna put it right there.
We'll check to see if it's here next time we come.
Yeah, next time you come
I just saw
here,
a
we're
green
gonna check.
car. Is that litter I see?
Come on, Andrew.
Eli, wait! I remember we went here last time to get regatta or whatever. But I did film it. I don't know what happened to the footage though. It's not on my phone, so. Oh, Eli, look, a ball. A dog probably chewed on it.
Jesus,
though.
it's a big ball. Leave it over there. Ready?
Well, that's loud.
What? Wait. I'm gonna unpeel it for them.
He's unpeeling the nut. Is it a nut or an acorn?
I'm pretty sure that's an acorn. Because it had a hard shell and the top looked like an acorn.
Okay.
Look at the field there.
How many people are out there? Up ahead.
That's gonna conclude this video.
What
First,
should we do to end it?
to stop the end the video, I'm going to hurt the tree.
He's hugging all the trees. Every single. There's patterns on the tree.
There's like lines. There's some moss on it too.
Fall down, Eli. Fall down the hill.
No, I can't fall down.
I'll make you fall down.
Ow!
Are you okay?
Ow! Oh, that hurt. Well, it's
So,
my shoulder. Oh, my foot.
ew, Chip.
Why would you show them?